lah. See here, right? You have to install something called XAMPP. Okay, XAMPP control, XAMPP control, XAMPP what software. Here we can. It is available. So according to, again, it is depends on according to your bits. I mean architecture, 64 or 32 bit. Maximum we will have mostly commonly we will have what 64, isn't it? So jam 32 also. See here, oi. You can keep in 32 also. Jam. You just type it, oi. Listen first. Jam download, then download. Oi. Go to your here download jam. See here. If you are running Linux, then you have option for this. Yes. If you are Mac, then if you are Windows lover, then this one is for latest one. What is the difference between these versions? They are included here. Okay. You can here is for 32 and 64. It will work for both. Okay. So if you want to by looking at this number, you can think that you can identify that this is the latest one, isn't it? 8 it is highest number, it is a number, isn't it? So you can always prefer latest if your system supports. Okay, otherwise you can start from here also. Fine. After that it will be we have to install like Windows Word application, isn't it? And after and you don't have to do anything. So for example, if you want to download it, so what you can do, just you can press this button and it will start downloading. Just a minute. Already have XAMPP, yes. Just a minute. Just a minute, it should come. It should start downloading. It's downloading. Yes. Then save it. So it will be. It is being downloaded, isn't it? Just a minute. I'm showing how to download. Okay. So here you have to double click here, run as its administrator, then yes, then it will show something, then okay, you have to press button, then next, in this way, next you have to do. Okay, no problem. Okay, I'm doing cancel because I already have this one. Then after you have to run just by typing here. Others will be doing, see here, after this you have to run two things. First is SQL Server and database. SQL Server start, then your Apache you should start. These two button. Okay, we'll be talking in another session this one, how to start this, what is the function of this start. Okay, so that means, okay, after this pressing, then it will be that are one is SQL Server, another is web server. Okay, that means SQL means database server, database where we will keep a database our information.
What does content file will and monthly?
We'll talk later that one just a minute. Then when you type localhost, simply what you have to type is localhost. Yes, it will not be seen like this first, isn't it? It will be seen. Here I have kept this one. Just a minute. So just a minute. Here in C you can go and see the where is XAMPP, then htdocs. Here is extra means here these things you can see. Okay, it will be outside. These files will be outside of this one. Here whatever you can see, this is my custom file, isn't it? So these all files will be initially there. Where is that extra? These all files will be where? Here, isn't it? And by creating new folder extra in this way, extra, I put I put all the here I had the double file, isn't it? I have kept this all file inside that. Okay. After that, listen. After that, what we have to do? Now your project should be stored here. Okay. These all are my projects. Okay. And when you run this here, right? When you run localhost, then login system. Just a minute. So this is so you can run, but for this you have to see here, right? So you have to but before that you have to connect database also. Okay, we'll learn that in next time. But you can see here test @test. Yes. So this is system, isn't it? Test @ maths path a Vivek class. So I forgot the email test. So somewhere I have you. So suppose you can sign up for that. Suppose your email, your name, Ram. Okay, Ram. In this way, this is my one created Ram. So Ram @gmail.com or am Ram. Fine. So register. Ram @gmail.com. So Ram. So see. So you can proceed it. It is you can there will be the multiple choice question. Fine. Isn't it? So you can create your own system also in this way and host in your own machine. Okay, in XAMPP using XAMPP. Fine. So here this is just a gem just a part. Continue. So square is 1. You can view the answer also. Which one is correct? This is simple system. Okay. You can log out from here. You can see the password from profile. Here email, sorry, and exam. Again you can start and log out the profile. Fine. To be back on the main system to see all your projects, again you have to go to localhost. Fine. So this much for today. I think we